Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the missing numbers. We will be writing these numbers and find out the missing numbers. Let us get started with the color names. This is black color. This is brown color. This is orange color. This is dark green color. This is dark blue color. This is red color. This is dark pink color. This is yellow color. This is light green color. This is purple color. This is light blue color. Let us get started. We will be counting the numbers and finding the missing numbers. This is 1. Number 1. What comes after 1? Number 2. We will write number 2 in this box. Number 2. This is 3. Number 3. What comes after 3? Number 4. We will write number 4 in this box. This is 5. Number 5. What comes after 5? We will write 6 in this box. Number 6. What is this? 7. Number 7. What comes after 7? 8. We will write number 8. What is this? 9. Number 9. What comes after 9? 10. Number 10. What is this? 11. Number 11. What comes after 11? Number 12. We will write number 12 in this box. Number 12. What is this? 13. Number 13. What comes after 13? 14. Number 14. What is this? 15. Number 15. What comes after 15? 16. We will write 16 in this box. Number 16. What is this? 17. Number 17. What comes after 17? 18. We will write number 18 in this box. Number 18. What is this? 19. Number 19. What comes after 19? Number 20. We will write 20 in this box. Number 20. Thank you kids for finding the missing numbers. I hope you liked coloring all these. Let us count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you for watching this. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.